In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid faster using Freshbooks payments. Understanding how to efficiently manage your invoicing can be crucial for maintaining a healthy cash flow. So let's dive into the process that will help streamline your payments. First things first, you'll want to head over to your dashboard. Here, you should see a button labeled Create New. Go ahead and click on that. This is your primary starting point for initiating any new financial records or documents within FreshBooks. After clicking this, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with a list of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Invoice. Selecting the right option here ensures you're setting up a document with the specific purpose of billing a client. Now, it's time to select the client you want to send the invoice to. In the Bill To section, you'll see a list of your current clients. Choose the appropriate client from this list. If you don't see your client there, make sure their information has been correctly entered into your system beforehand. Next, it's important to add the line items that detail what you're invoicing for. This is where you specify the services or products you've provided. Each line item needs to include a description, along with the quantity and amount for each service or product. Being detailed here not only ensures faster payment, but also reduces the chances of any confusion for your client. After detailing your line items, consider adding any notes or tax information that might be relevant. Notes can include anything from payment terms to specific instructions for your client. Meanwhile, any applicable taxes should be clearly outlined to provide a total amount due, which means fewer back-and-forth communications later on. Once you've entered all the necessary information, it's a good idea to review your invoice before sending it out. To do this, click on the Send button. This action will provide you with a preview of the invoice, allowing you to double-check all the details for accuracy. Mistakes can lead to delays, so this step is crucial. Finally, when you're satisfied with the preview and confident that everything is correct, click on Send Invoice to dispatch the invoice directly to your client via email. FreshBooks will take care of delivering it securely to your client's inbox, enabling you to track when they've received and viewed the invoice for added peace of mind. And there you have it. You've just sent your invoice using FreshBooks payments, enabling a smoother, quicker path to getting paid. By following these steps, you'll find that managing your invoicing no longer has to be a hassle, leaving you with more time to focus on other aspects of your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances effectively.